All right, guys, here we go. Got another one for you. Papa John's. Um, One of my favorite pizza places, quick and simple if I don't want to leave the house. This is where I go, Papa John's. So, hope you guys like Papa John's. If you're a Domino's or a Pizza Hut lover, maybe I'll download that app and show you guys how to do it. I just won't have any past purchases on it. Let's call it. So, you come in here to the Papa John's app. You can obviously order everything on the app and have it sent to the house. You can go pick it up, confirm delivery, anything like that. So obviously it's simple. Come on here and order. You can check out their menu if you don't know what's new or what you actually want. Come over here to specials. You can see what they've got. Rather than calling them saying, "Hey, what specials do you have?" and then not knowing what you want to do. Something for me, I'd probably pick that any two for $22, something like that. I'm the deal side, so I'm always looking for that stuff. Two medium, one topping pizza, $6 each. How could you go wrong with that right there? So, of course, you can come in here and favorite your favorite pizzas, stuff like that. But let's kick it over to the rewards. This is something that recently changed. I'd say probably within, I mean, for sure the last year. But they used to give you a free, you'd see a pizza and it'd give you a free pizza. Well, now what they're doing, instead of giving you a free pizza, they're converting them to My Papa Dough. So, of course, you can see it on the screen. You earn 1 point for every dollar spent. You earn $10 of Papa Dough when you reach 75 points. So you can come over here and see what they've been gifted you as well. Last time we ordered through this, we got some free cheese sticks. So again, you can see this also gives you some offers as well if we don't have any right here at the time, but you can come in here and see what kind of deals they got going on and stuff. So if you guys wanted to see some FAQs, obviously you order. We already talked about the points, collecting them, cash in. The one things I would want to show you, if your points expires, they say they do not, as long as your account has 12 months of, in the recent 12 months you have some activity obviously there. And if you're wondering if you had lost your old rewards, they did not. They actually had been converted over. So I know I didn't apparently lose anything. I still had points over there when we moved, even though we knew we had a pizza from the last time, or partial pizzas. At least it came over as some points. So you can come in here, and if any of these questions you can actually hit them and see if they pertain to you. But again, another video I wanted to show you guys. If you're a Papa John's person, get it. It's free stuff you're doing already. And so I'm seeing some activity come along my page, and I'm seeing there are some views on these. I'm getting good click throughs on these. I've got a previous one on Chick-fil-A and B Dubs, Buffalo Wild Wings. I've got now Papa John's. We got McDonald's. We've got Whataburger. I'm going through all these places that I actually eat, and there's gonna be some there's obviously some that I don't, but definitely something to consider. Download these apps, get free stuff for things you're doing already, things you're already buying. Why not? If you're a shopper, go check out my Shopkicks and my Ebates. They give great referrals. If you've got a big family or big friend list, get these Ebates. 20. I just got $25 from Ebates from referring even just my wife. Like, so simple. $25. I think she got $10. You're talking a swing of $35 for literally doing nothing. So go check those videos out. If you guys definitely like these videos, I'm thinking about just sticking this and just sticking this straightforward and just going after deals and stuff like that, because those are getting some click throughs, and rather than just kind of being totally sporadic on my channel. So hope you guys liked the video. Go check out my other ones if you liked it, but please hit that thumbs up or subscribe if you found it helpful. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so we can start to monetize on YouTube and seeing if we can actually make this a viable source of income, or just even just seeing if we can make it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.